We all know which big Bollywood celebrity is dating whom. After all, the rumors keep coming in. But what about the people which these Bollywood actresses dated before they became famous? Here's a list of Bollywood babes and their boyfriends before they became famous. Take a look. Yes, you read it right. Nihar Pandya and Deepika Padukone were once upon an item. The actress had met Nihar in an acting school and had started off with doing music videos around the same time. The two were in a live-in relationship before she broke up and went ahead with Ranbir Kapoor. The aspiring actress now, however, is looking at a better launch with director Prashant Chadda. Zohaib Yusuf is a ramp model whom Anushka Sharma met in Bangalore during her modelling days. If reports are to be believed, the two were in a very serious relationship for more than 2 years. While Anu got a lucky break with YRF banner, Zohaib couldn't find much work in the industry and went back to Bangalore. She's the hottest babe in town and is busy painting it red along with leagued industry friend Siddharth Malhotra. But not many know that the Bhatt beauty Alia Bhatt also had a childhood sweetheart. Yeah, the Student of the Year actor had a high school boyfriend a few years back. She dated her school friend Ali Dadarkar. The two starred in Raz, the mystery continues, and soon enough, the rumor about Adhan and Kangana dating each other started making its round all over the internet. Later, it was confirmed too, the two dated for a year. Later, the things ended on a bad note. Boy, they were traumatic. Aditya and Sonakshi were dating each other for 2 years. They parted ways 2 months ago. The couple had a major fight over some internal problem. Aditya's behavior really angered Sonakshi and she decided to part ways with him. Moreover, the actress didn't want her personal life to affect her work, so she ensured the relationship ended on a good note. If sources were to be believed, Jacqueline Fernandez's close proximity to Sajid Khan isn't the reason for the split. She made the decision to end her relationship with Hassan bin Rashid Al Khalifa early on. During that time, she got very close to Sajid, but he isn't responsible for them parting ways. Will they get back together? Nope, Jackie and Hassan are done for good. Priyanka Chopra was dating actor Aseem Merchant during her modelling days. The two were pretty close, but after Priyanka became Miss Universe, she dumped Aseem Merchant. Recently, she was miffed with her ex-boo and ex-manager Prakash Jaju. If we recall, a few weeks back, Aseem had informed that they were going to make a biopic on PC's life. Ouch! Ness Wadia and Preity Zinta's relationship was the talk of the town, and the couple in their 5 years being together had the limelight on them. Till one day when Preity Zinta walked out of the relationship and called it quits. It was common knowledge that Ness's mother Maureen Wadia disapproved of this match and even called Preity a zebra in an interview. Ness being mama's boy, the relationship had to go kaput.